Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by National Heroes Circle, and this is the land beside National Heroes Park where they plan to build the new Parliament building. Now I want to ask you guys a question because it has been suggested that they should build an urban center on this land instead of the new Parliament building. So, guys, what do you think? Should they build a new parliament building here or should they build an urban center? Now, beside this land, we're going to show you as we do the 360. You have the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Social Security, and Ministry of Education. This is like the gateway or one of the main entrances to downtown Kingston. So, perhaps an urban center would do very well here. You could build buildings for all these government ministries, and there's space to build more. That's the Ministry of Finance over there on the right. Now, what the government had planned to do originally is to build a new parliament building here and do a redevelopment of the entire area. The project went at the new parliament building now. Project went as far as it went out for tender, for bids. But the problem is the government only got one bid. And that bid costs more to build the building than the government planned to spend. Now, this project, basically the new parliament building project, seems to be on hold. The government now has to go out and put out another bid. But with only one party interested in the original bid, maybe the time has come to look at this project and see if it's worth it. So that is where the suggestion came in of building an urban center here. Now, I think an urban center would do very well here. You could put all the government ministries here. You could have basically a government campus. And you could still do the redevelopment of the area. Now, it was suggested also that the new parliament building should be put up by King's House, by East King's House Road. There's a lot of land up there. And someone suggested that one, you build the urban center here and you build a new parliament building up by King's House. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, urban centers are very successful in Jamaica. The Morant Bay Urban Center is what you call a game changer. So with the success of the urban center in Morant Bay, and that model being replicated around Jamaica, maybe that might be the best option for what happens here. And the government is spending a lot of money to rent buildings. Like on Hope Road, they'll be spending upwards of 200 million Jamaican dollars a year to rent a 10-floor building. So maybe the time has come to build buildings, and the urban center would be the ideal scenario or model, basically. You could put courthouses here, you could put the tax office here, you could put the PICA office, you could put the police records office. So many government facilities or government entities could have offices at an urban center here. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.